Today, I will talk about how to use a graphing calculator to decide which regression equation is the best fit. First of all, we clear the memory. Second plus 712. We are given this data and to check which one is the best fit. Therefore, we go to Stat, Edit, we put Enter. L1 will be year, so we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go to L2, you put in 38000, enter. 39140, enter. Then we got 40314, enter. 41524, enter. 42769, enter. Since we need to compare those two regression equations, we need to put the second 0. Make sure the diagnostic on. So I move the arrow to that diagnostic on. Here you go. You find that diagnostic on. So I put the enter. This one will show you which is the best fit when you have two regression equations. Therefore, let's go to second Y. You will put plot 1 on. So I put the enter. You don't have to change anything for this part. Then you need to set up the window. We go to zoom, then go to 9. That's zoom stat. I press enter. So you could see this is the data shown on that window. Next step, we need to figure out these two regression equations. One is linear, the other is exponential, so that you can compare. Go to Stat, go to Calculate. I need a linear regression. Let's go to 4. So I press 4. Put the enter, because that's really L1, L2. Just forget about this frag list. Go to Store Regression Equation. That's Y1. So I go to Variable. Y variable. Enter. That's Y1. That means we restore this regression equation in Y1. Then I put the enter. You got the R squared, that's 0.9996. R equals 0.999847. Now that we have R and R squared, let's talk about what they mean. The R value is what is known as a correlation coefficient. It's a number to tell how well the straight line fits the data. The closer the R value is to +1 or -1, the better the line fits the data. As the R value gets closer to 0, the worse the fit gets. The R square value is found just by squaring the R value. In statistics, the R square value describes how much of the variation in the data is accounted for by the trend line. Then I go to stat again. I need to check that exponential regression equation. So I go down, find out that exponential regression. I put enter. Still L1, L2, no problem. I need to restore this regression equation, go to Y2. So go to variable, Y variable. This time I want to store this equation into Y2. So enter, enter, enter. Then this time you compare the R. The R we call correlation coefficient. Which one is closer to 1 will be the best fit. Now we already know the meaning of R squared and R. Just compare this exponential regression equation and linear regression equation. We know for exponential regression equation, this R greater than this linear one. Therefore, exponential regression is the best fit. You can go to graph to check. See, it's not clear. We go to Y1. This is Y1, here is Y2. Y1 will be linear and then Y2 will be exponential form. I will change Y2 into this one. Enter. See, look at this part. Then I graph. That's almost the same, but compared to that R, we know exponential will be the best fit. Therefore, answer will be C. Exponential regression and increasing by 3% each year, because we got over here B equals 1.03. That means increase 3% each year.